Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a special frosting known as a white mountain frosting. And it's light and fluffy like the peaks of a mountain. And it's wonderful on a cake, light and fluffy. It's even perfect for the filling of a whoopie pie. Now before we get started, I'd like you to become a subscriber and click on that notification button so you can see all my videos and tips because I got tons and they're fabulous. So this is also an Italian meringue. So we have to make a sugar syrup first. In here I have 4 egg whites, large egg whites that are at room temperature. And in this saucepan, I'm going to put 1 cup of granulated sugar, 4 tablespoons of water, and half a cup, and I'm going to turn this on as we speak, half a cup of light corn syrup. And because this is known as a sugar syrup, we have to get it stirred. And then once all the sugar, the granulated sugar, dissolves, we don't want to touch it anymore with any stirring. It's very important or else you will start crystals. So you can see it just looks like it's not totally mixed yet. We're going to mix it up. You can use a whisk or a spoon. A spoon is fine. And you're going to want to put it on high heat, and you're not going to want to walk away. Do not answer that doorbell. Do not answer your phone, because sugar syrups wait for nobody. And you really don't want to get hurt or burnt or have this overflow on you. It's also a pain in the neck to clean. So you don't want that because sugar is forever. So I'm going to bring this up, believe it or not, to a 242 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to need a candy thermometer. So before I get started, I've mixed everything. Get rid of the spoon, don't touch it. Now, in a pastry brush with a little water, I'm going to brush down the sides. All right, I'm going to brush down the sides so that there are no little bits of sugar crystals around. That's one thing I like to do, because if there's any sugar crystals, what happens is those sugar crystals can actually start a seeding reaction, and you can end up with rock candy. Well, that's nice if you want rock candy, but I want a white mountain frosting. I don't want rock candy. So we're going to let this go till it gets to 242 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to use my candy thermometer. All right, so my sugar syrup has reached 242 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful, you want to put this thermometer directly in your sink. It's going to be real hot. And then we're going to actually beat our egg whites to firm peaks. And then we're going to gradually add our sugar syrup slowly down the side. You don't want to put it on the beater. Very slowly down the sides at high speed. Very slow and steady. We hear that? It's almost cooking the whites. So this is all good. And you're going to make this beautiful mountain frosting. You could ski on it. It's so gorgeous. You want to go slow and steady. And then we're going to beat in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This is also known, like I said before, as an Italian meringue. It's one of the most stable meringues you can make. Very fluffy, very pure white, just thick and fluffy. Here we go. We're going to go all the way in. And don't worry about getting all the little bitty bits out of that caramel or that sugar syrup, because it's the basis of caramel if you let it go. But we're not going that far. We're going to let it go all the way in. And you're going to stop it. Don't burn yourself. And then bring this very quickly to your sink. All right, now you're going to beat the heck out of this with a little meringue, 2 teaspoons of pure, make sure, pure vanilla extract. It's the best. You're going to beat this for about 2 minutes. And you're going to see how glossy and shiny. That's from the corn syrup. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful frosting in and of itself. Great filling for a whoopie pie. If you added some unsalted, softened butter, you could turn this into an Italian buttercream. Now, you would have to let this beat until the sides the bowl gets nice and cool, or else your butter would melt. All right? So I'm going to show you what this looks like. It looks lovely, lovely. And I have my rubber spatula, so I'm going to show you. You smell the vanilla. It's absolutely delicious. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm in. I'm going in. I'm going in. Look at this. That is mountain frosting, baby, that you could ski down the slopes with. It's lovely. Look at that. And that's it. You can swirl it on a cake, layer cake. Like I said, you could actually pipe it onto a whoopie pie or use an ice cream scoop to fill your whoopie pies. It is spectacular. I hope you make this beautiful mountain frosting. I hope you become a subscriber. Until next time.